Hi, it's Dan here from the Surfboard Agency. I'm just going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use Brandscope. It's an online ordering platform, and if you just go to this URL, brandscope.com.au, come here to the sign in, use the login that I've emailed through to you. With majority of cases, it's just going to be your own personal or work email address. If you can't remember your password, then just go to forgot password and it'll email you through a new one. It'll reset it. And then we log in. I'd suggest save the password, but I'm going not now. Okay, so we go to Mick Softboards USA 2019. It'll bring you to this page. So, if you want to just have a look at the boards, you can just click on the image of the board and it brings up this. You can roll your cursor over it and it'll blow it up. Click on that one. You have a look at the bottom of the boards. That's futures. Click on this one. Gives you a look at FCS. Click over here and it gives you a look at the product information. You say, okay, yep, this is a recommended retail. Yeah, I want to carry this board. So we close that down and you just go through and tick the boards that you're interested in looking at in your buy plan. Now, you'll pretty much just toggle between range and buy plan here. Now, anything that you've ticked on when you're on the range page will come through onto the buy plan. So all of these boards that we've ticked, you see them, they come up here on the buy plan, and you can just put, and it's pretty cool because each of the, whether you're on the west coast or the east coast, shows what's in the warehouses. So if you're logging in from the west coast, it shows you what's in our warehouse in these little boxes in Torrance in California. And if you're on the east coast, it'll show you in those little boxes what's in the warehouse in Atlanta. So you can just go, I just want to see how much one of these is, and put one into the 60, come down the bottom and go, okay, it's $2.55 for that one item. And you go, yep, I want to have one of each of those. I want to get, BC's been a really good seller. I'm going to get one of each of those in FCS. Yep. And I want to get some boards for hire, so I'm going to get some of these Surf School editions. Perfect. Okay, it's a total of 12 items. There's the total value of your order, and then you say, okie dokie, I'm going to submit that order. Put your purchase order number in there if you have one. If not, that's cool, and we will have you set up in our system by the time you're using this. So if the delivery address that we're using is correct, then you don't have to put any delivery instructions in. But if you have a different warehouse address that you want the board shipped to, or if you're in California, you want to pick up the boards from Torrance, you can put them there to be collected. And then you just press submit order again, and away you go. You'll receive a copy of the order, as will we. We'll send you through an invoice. That invoice will be due to be paid when the boards arrive. There'll be some freight component attached to the invoice. So if you've got any questions, please come back to me. But I look forward to you seeing the boards. Regards. Bye.